my channel. In this video I will show you how to clear the clipboard in Windows 11. So let's get started. So firstly, open search bar. Here you will type settings. Firstly you will see, press Windows plus V to enable clipboard. Here you will see all the data. Then go to system. Then scroll down. Here you will see clipboard. Click on clipboard. Here you will see clear. Click on clear. With the help of this, all the data will be cleared successfully. You can see Windows plus V. Here you will see your clipboard history. Nothing here. Also, you can turn it off clipboard history using toggle to turn it off, or you can choose this also, like automatically synchronic or manually synchronic text. And that's it, how you clear the clipboard in Windows 11 using easy ways. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more window tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.